Hello there, my name is Dorothy Pang. I am a licensed acupuncturist with an office in South San Francisco, California. I've been doing acupuncture for over 20 years, and today I wanted to do a little video and talk about electro acupuncture. I don't want to lose you. Please don't be scared. I know it sounds scary. I promise it's not. Electro acupuncture involves the application of tiny bits of electricity to acupuncture. So most people know what acupuncture is. Acupuncture is the use of the insertion of superfine needles into the body in order to modulate what the body is doing. So we use acupuncture needles to tell the body to bring more blood flow to an area, for example, so that it can promote healing or reduce inflammation. Acupuncture needles are very fine. See, they're so fine that they bend. They're very flexible because they're so tiny. So they don't feel like a regular injection needle, which is the kind of needle that most people have experience with. So just as a sample, acupuncture is just the insertion of a needle into the body, or a Mandarin orange. So that's regular acupuncture. The needles go in and they help to promote blood flow, reduce inflammation, and promote healing. Now, in certain cases, I might recommend electrical acupuncture. And electrical acupuncture is just regular acupuncture, and then, like I said, with the application of a tiny bit of electrical current. It's very useful for cases where the nerve has gone a little bit wonky. Now, nerves run with electricity. So in the case where a nerve is unhappy, it makes a lot of sense that applying a little bit of electrical stimulation would help it to calm down. So what does a nerve do when it's freaking out? Sometimes it zings and zaps. Sometimes it has shooting pain. Sciatica is commonly irritation of the sciatic nerve. Carpal tunnel has a nerve component. You can feel like electrical zips and zaps. And so when you know your nerve is unhappy and you know that a nerve runs on electricity, then you can kind of deduce how electrical acupuncture calms down a nerve that's unhappy. So let's do a visual. So we clip on these little clips onto the ends of the needles that we've put in, and we run a tiny bit of electricity through them, the tiniest bit. People tell me it feels like a tapping or tingling sensation, and it fades away after 5 or 10 minutes. So it's really not a big deal. You're completely in charge of how intense the sensation is or isn't. I will turn it down if you want me to. I will turn it off if you want me to. But I do recommend electrical acupuncture over regular acupuncture for very specific reasons. And so I will let you know why. And if you want to know why, I always tell patients why I'm doing certain things. So this is electrical acupuncture. The electrical acupuncture device only runs on 1 or 2 9-volt batteries, and those batteries are good for several months. So it's a very little bit of current. It's not a lot, so it's nothing to be scared of. And of course, whenever you're seeing a doctor of any kind, you're the patient, and you can always choose to say, no thank you, I don't like that, or oh, can you turn that down, or actually, oh, that feels good, would you turn it up, please? So I encourage you, if you're curious, to ask me questions. I would love to answer them. And if you're curious if you think maybe electrical acupuncture might help a particular condition, I would love to also answer that question for you. Oh, I forgot to mention, electrical acupuncture is also really good for waking up nerves that have stopped working very well. So for cases like a foot drop or a numbness and a tingling, usually that's a nerve being a little bit lazy and not doing its job. Electrical acupuncture really helps to wake those nerves back up and get them working again. Don't worry, it doesn't feel too intense. Nerves in that case often don't feel very much of anything, so it's really quite comfortable, the whole process. Don't worry. If you have any questions, again, please comment. I would love to answer them. I love to help demystify acupuncture and make it less scary, because I promise it doesn't have to be scary. And I just love explaining things in a way that hopefully is very understandable. If you found this video helpful, please like, ask a question, comment, share. I would love for people to know more about acupuncture and electrical acupuncture, and maybe it could help to improve the life of someone that you know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.